Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video right here on Worldcoin. We're going to do a full update. We had some beautiful momentum coming in over the course of this morning, not only for Worldcoin, but also for some of its AI crypto peers. So then I'm mostly talking about BitTensor or Tau, of course, which was extremely strong and has been extremely strong for some time already. But also Fetch. I mean, Fetch obviously went through, well, not an amazing period in the last couple of months, but ultimately it did see some momentum, and therefore in general we saw momentum coming into AI. And AI, when we're talking about stocks and the general equity markets, has been extremely popular as well, of course. So what that caused is this move right here for Worldcoin. It looks very volatile right now, and that is also true. We got this, like the most relevant level for me for Worldcoin is this level right here between 85 and 83 cents. All right, that's the value area low of the range we held since the 10th of October. And then during the bearish pressure that we had on Thursday, we pushed down below that. And then during the bullish momentum we saw this morning for the narrative, but also for Worldcoin specifically. I mean, you can see right here that we gained quite a lot of leverage. This is the highest leverage gain we've seen in a while. Not even... like for some time before the crash we had the 10th of October, we also haven't seen leverage coming in like this, so that's quite relevant. But it's not only leverage. You can also see right here on the 1 hour time frame that we put in some very high volume, and the last time we had that was the 21st of October, and back then the follow through, as you can see right here, was not good. So now the major question is going to be for Worldcoin: can we actually get some good follow-up after this momentum, right? There is real momentum, right? We have open interest, we have a narrative fundamentally, and we have volume. But then the question always is well, can the technicals confirm that, right? And can the follow-up move confirm that? We also, by the way, like what happens quite often is that like we have a point of control here. We have a high liquidity zone at 88 cents, and we also hit the previous month point of control. So that's just the highest volume level, the highest liquidity level in the entire previous month, which matters because that was October. What happens sometimes is that you have a value area like this, point of control in the middle, and that the price is in that value area. It breaks down below that. It retests the point of control, which we have done so far, and then it continues the downtrend. That happens the other way around as well, but in this case, that specific setup and that specific scenario is relevant. So therefore, it's also crucial that, look, so far it's a pretty major rejection from the point of control, but that's why it is so crucial that we are now going to be able to hold, especially that level at 84 cents, 83 cents, as support. If we're able to do that, then I think we'll be able to consolidate here and get a move into the high liquidity zone at 94 and 96 cents afterwards. And I have to say, given the momentum that we have seen so far from Worldcoin, but also the narratives that I can think of regarding AI in general right now in the world, but also open AI specifically, which obviously Sam Altman has ties to Worldcoin, to WLD, I would say this is most likely. And then from there, we'll see. I mean, the next resistance level, obviously, this is a range reclaiming move, right? We had a range right here between 84 and 96 cents. So then the obvious next price target would be that value area high, the range high right here at 96 cents. Would I expect us, like, I do think it's most likely this is a real reclaim and that we'll be able to hold that. Would I also say it's most likely that we'll be able to break out afterwards? At this point of time, no. We not only have the range high right here at 96 cents, we also have a very strong resistance level at $1. And breaking above that, we need a lot of momentum, which is obviously a possibility, but in these market circumstances, like, is it really smart to assume that we will get that? I don't know. But I'll keep you updated on that. At least for now, that is what I think you need to know. So thank you for watching, everybody. Take care and bye.